Greetings everyone, and welcome to my Python course. In this video, we are going to talk about list comprehension in Python. List comprehensions are a concise and powerful way to create lists in Python. They allows us to generate a new list by applying an expression to each item in an existing iterable, like a list, tuple, or range, and collecting the results. List comprehensions are not only elegant, but can also make our code more readable and efficient. There are several benefits for list comprehensions. Conciseness. List comprehensions condense multiple lines of code into a single line, making our code more compact and easier to understand. And secondly, readability. They express the creation and transformation of lists in a very clear and structured manner. In addition, efficiency. In many cases, list comprehensions are faster than equivalent for loops, since they leverage the underlying C implementation of Python's list operations. The general syntax of a list comprehension is as follows. Firstly, you make new list, and then expression for item in iterable. Expression is the operation we want to perform on each item, and item is the variable representing each element in the iterable. An iterable is the existing sequence we are iterating over. Let's make an example in order to understand. Let's make a list called numbers equal to 1, 3, 4, and 5. And then add 1 equal to, and then we write x plus 1 for x in numbers, and then print add 1. As you can see, we got our output. Instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Firstly, x plus 1. X plus 1 is the expression that defines the elements in the new list. It takes each element, which is x for the numbers list, and adds 1 to it. And as we agreed before, we can change the name of x into any name. For x in numbers, this is the iteration part of the list comprehension. It specifies that we want to iterate through each element x in the numbers list. So the list comprehension essentially goes through each element of the list, adds 1 to it, and collects these modified values into a new list called add_1. So for x in numbers, these are all the numbers inside the list. We told Python x plus 1. So Python search for x, which are 1, and then add 1. And then Python goes for the second item inside our list, which is 2. And add 1 and make 3. And then Python moves to the third element in our list, which is 3, and add 1 and gives us 4. And then Python moves to 4 in our numbers list, adds 1, and then print 5, and so on. Now let's make another example. Squares equal to x to the power of 2 for x in numbers. Print squares. As you can see, we got 1, 4, 9, 16, and 25. Firstly, x to the power of 2. This is the expression that calculates the square of each element x for the numbers list. It uses the exponential operator to raise each element to the power of 2. For x in numbers is the iteration part of the list comprehension. It specifies that we want to iterate through each element x in the numbers list. So the list comprehension iterates through each element of the numbers list, calculates the square of each element, and collects these square values into a new list called squares. Not only that, but we can also make list comprehension by extracting the even numbers from our list. So even equal to x, or x in numbers, if x modulus 2 equal 0, and then print even. As you can see, we extracted 2 and 4 because 2 and 4 are the only even numbers inside our list. X is the expression that specifies which element from the numbers list to include in the new list, which is even list. In this case, it includes x if x modulus 2 equal 0. This condition checks whether the number is even by calculating the remainder when it's divided by 2. If the remainder is 0, it's an even number. For x in numbers is the iteration part of the list comprehension. It specifies that we want to iterate through each element x in the numbers list. So the list comprehension iterates through each element of the number list, checks if it's even, and if so, collects those even numbers into a new list called even. Finally, words equal to apple, orange, banana. Here, what if I want to perform list comprehension by counting the number of letters in each string? Length equal to, and then len word for word in words, print length. As you can see, we got 5, 6, and 6, because apple contains of 5 letters, orange of 6 letters, and banana of 6 letters too. Len word, as we know, is the expression that calculates the length of each word in the words list. The len function returns the number of characters in a string. So for word in words, it is the iteration part of the list comprehension. It specifies that we want to iterate through each word in the words list, calculates the length of each word, and collects these length values into a new list called lengths. Thanks for watching. If you find this content valuable and would like to see more, then please show your support by hitting the like button. Your likes helps us reach more viewers who might benefit from this content. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave a comment in the section below. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, happy analyzing.